something that I found online. It's not something that I wrote. It's something that I found and that you all have access to. 𝑘𝑚𝑒𝑡 𝘀𝑎hu, 𝑘𝑚𝑒𝑡 𘀀𝑎hu, 𝘀𝑎 𝑘𝑚𝑒𝑡 𝘀𝑎hu. Great one of magic, mother of the 𝑘𝑚𝑒𝑡, the one who was before the 𝑘𝑚𝑒𝑡 were. Lady of the place of the beginning of time, beloved of Ra, beloved of Bast, beloved of Ptah, at whose which the arts were born. Beautiful eye which giveth light to the two lands. Beautiful face, image, most beloved by art. The flaming one, the pure one, self-contained, only one, the awakener, sovereign of Ra, protector of the 𝑘𝑚𝑒𝑡, destroyer of rebellion, lady of the sacred color of garments, eye of Ra, eye of Heru, preeminent one of the abode of millions of years, great one in place of judgments and executions, guide and protect us from the perils of the underworld, great one of the places of appearances and silence, roamer of deserts, wanderer in the waste, lady of enchantments, opener of ways, lady of transformations, lady of many faces, the enrapturing one, giver of ecstasies, satisfier of desires, the inspirer of men, victorious one in battle, overcomer of all enemies, sublime one, sparkling one, warrior 𝑘𝑚𝑒𝑡 of love, great one in heaven, great serpent on the head of her father, great lady of the house of life, the one before whom evil trembles, terrible one, lady of all powers, eternal as her father, lady of the manifold of dormants, enlightener, the empowerer, great one of Hekaru, lady of the magic lamp, mother of the dead, mother of the bloodbath, destroyer by plagues, destroyer by fire, great one of healing, lady of waters of life, lady of the tomb, lady of the way of 5 bodies, ruler of the desert, ruler of serpents and dragons, ruler of lions, the unrivaled and invincible one, ruler of the chamber of flames, the source, the winged one, powerful in heart, the aware, the gleaming one, she whose opportunity escapeth her not, 𝑘𝑚𝑒𝑡 who reduces to silence, 𝑘𝑚𝑒𝑡 who rouses the people, lady of jubilation, adorable one, shining of countenance, mother of images, incomparable one, lady of intoxications, mightier than the 𝑘𝑚𝑒𝑡, most beautiful, most strong, great one of laws, protectress of the divine order, the one who holds back darkness, the beautiful light, warrior 𝑘𝑚𝑒𝑡, queen of the venerable ones, lady of the house of books, the devouring one, 𝑘𝑚𝑒𝑡 of knives, burner of evildoers, most beautiful amongst the 𝑘𝑚𝑒𝑡, bountiful one, 𝑘𝑚𝑒𝑡 who gives joy, unwavering loyal one, beloved teacher, beloved 𝑘𝑚𝑒𝑡. Dua, great mother 𝑘𝑚𝑒𝑡, we thank you for shining your healing light within and around us. We thank you for removing the evil within and around us. We thank you for removing the evil from this planet. We thank you for letting your healing light shine through us and to our families and all that we are connected to. Dua 𝑘𝑚𝑒𝑡, we thank you for healing our minds, hearts, and bodies. We thank you for healing our spirits and raising us up. Dua 𝑘𝑚𝑒𝑡, great mother of healing, help us to be in alignment with our higher selves. Help us to be in alignment with Ma'at. Restore us to Ma'at 𝑘𝑚𝑒𝑡. Dua 𝑘𝑚𝑒𝑡. Dua 𝑘𝑚𝑒𝑡. We thank you for your love and blessings. Please accept our love and blessings in return. Dua, dua, dua. Ashe, ashe, ashe.